Yes, it's Jamaica good life, not a cool life. Yeah. Yeah. I'll go up Mount Zion. I have to make sure so I have enough battery. Stop recording. When they not destroy you, because you finished the message, And people in Germany all over the world are read. You see the reading, my brother? The reading is what's important. The message, not the messenger. So, the fox say, alright, my king, we did it. I'm Randy Pottinger. This is King Baba. All equal change and balance. God is the all. God always was, God always will be.
Yeah.
This is a change and balance from God. You are a change and balance from God.
Yes.
You can use change and balance and fix all your problems. Because you're part of the all. You were not created. You were a change and a balance. You say if what them call God the all made this leaf in his, not his, in all image. He's not a man. He's a all. Maths, science, emotion, thoughts, even the towel. God in there. God a move, which is the change. Balance is when it becomes physical. Because it a move, When the sun hit it, and the sun is a certain temperature, it has a certain structure. You have a certain structure because of the air, the sun, the moon, because of the balance that is here, and the balance form you. But the all energy, if the energy was not created, the circle, what we call God, and it was not, energy can create, energy can destroy. So God was always and always will be. So if God is always and always will be, and you are a part of God, then wait there. How you are going to be created? If God is always and always will be, and God created you in the image of God, how you going to be created? You were formed.
You're farmer,
Because of what? Change and balance.
Change and balance. A farmer and farmer.
Okay. So everything around us, change and balance govern the trees, the butterfly, the bees, everything. So the formula of all, my job in life has 50 years it take me to do this. If you write a formula where the get to youth them can use, government, you, and in every action, if you want more money, change your motive, your the mind, you bring the thing to you or you work hard for it. So your mind too, governed by change and balance. Your thoughts, your emotions, everything.
Everything.
In the all.
In the all.
In the all. So when you start to pray now, you say, give thanks to what? The all. So this can't hear you. You're connected to it. So my name is Randy Pottinger. We've been at the journey for a long time, but they didn't know this was my mission. This is what I was after. That's why I was hiding behind the camera. Because I did have to hide from them to get the book you done. Because if them did kill me, the message would not be sent. Okay. So it was not about Jamaica Good Life. It was about a message. And when Auntie Lena said to me, I don't think you'll build a church, but you're going to do something. And this is the equation that governs me so that I was alive. So if God sent me as a messenger, I have to send a message to all. I send the message. I do my work.
Change and balance.
Okay, so then now, to King Baba, B-A-B-A. Love Randy. Right? Pottinger. You're the second man in the world who have this. Signed. So when you read this book, it is my life's work. And I want you to forget it for Amazon. I don't need no Jamaican support, guys. They're all over the world.
All over the world already.
Okay, but for you, for me, to present this to you, it's an honor. Because nobody will ever call me mad again. Because if me mad now, guess what? You're mad too.
Me that mad too.
Okay.
You say me I accept this right.
Yeah. If you accept that, you know. And when you get from the mind, say give thanks to the all. It's not the Almighty. It's all.
It's all.
Means save your toenail too.
Yeah, man. The flowers, the stone,
Okay.
the trees around you is the all.
Okay.
Yeah, but enough people not acknowledge that. So you go, when me that, what I want to do now, you know, it's like, I got a road now, for send that book here. When me say sell him, you know, me sell this I want to have, you know.
Yeah, tell people say get to no copy.
Yeah.
Copy me sign.
Yeah. So me have to go up in the
It's a messenger.
It's a message.
When you read the message
Yeah.
and you
Because me
proceed.
hundreds of people can buy one of them if I, you know.
Okay.
Yeah,
Just tell
man.
them to go Amazon, search The Only Truth,
Yeah.
All Equal Change Amounts, Randy Pottinger.
Right.
The greatest book ever written, I'm saying about King Baba. Infinitely, no other man will go beyond the equation
Of
after
change.
me infinitely. This equation gonna stand infinitely, and no humans will ever infinitely take this down.
Can't take it down.
Okay.
Change and balance.
And now where Manchester I come from.
Change and balance.
Change and balance. And yeah, so it bad.
Change and balance.
See who have it, people? The king. So they thought we were joking.
So we know we have the change and balance.
Diet, mind, no negativity, change and balance yourself. It governs everything about you. It governs government. If Mr. Wholeness practice this when him buy him copy and live in the universal righteousness is a balance. Righteousness now have nothing to do with the flowers.
No, sir.
Balance
Yes.
is the universal righteousness. If
Righteousness.
Andrew Wholeness or another PMP person practice change and balance,
The word-
we say,
Yeah.
boy, you never mad, you know. They couldn't stop you.
They can't stop
Me
the
nephew.
system. The
See it
system.
there.
They
And
can't
now
stop.
you have a signed copy, Mr.
Sign copy.
King Baba. So today, I just move through and I have to change and balance and hide and run from them, you know. Because if you bring a new message, you must kill the messenger.
Yes. Change and balance.
The only truth.
Yes, so we are see through the video. Yeah, man. The only truth. So you know no other truth to come with change and balance.
Yes, people, this is Randy and No Love and Light and Happiness. We're leaving from Mount Zion right now. The teaching has been planted. All about change and balance. The disciples have been initiated into the order from the Almighty, which we call the Father. We say the Almighty. So, I tell us everything sealed now. The message has been delivered, the correction has been made, and the students have been fearlessly rid of them fears. They no longer are afraid to bring forth the message. And the book has been delivered to Mount Zion, up in Norway, Manchester, where we're forward from. This is Jamaica Good Life, not the Cook Life, a Polish life, or a Shub Life. This is Jamaica Good Life, all equal change and balance. Give thanks to the Almighty. You see me, whenever a woman forward, try not to fight me. Because you see, we are enlightened, we're full lighting, you know, we have it. So we're not really coming off a fight and argue with man, woman or man, we jump around like rabbit, or sometimes then crab it. You know, we take the time, you know, we do what we do, because what is mine is mine. And I want it all, I'm gonna have it all equal.